Hey everybody, it's Bear. Look here, it's Tuesday and I'm hungry and I've got a Canteen cup. So we're gonna cook today. Look here, we're gonna do a budget meal today because I know that sometimes money gets tight, right? For me too. So this is something that you're not gonna do ultralight backpacking, but you might go out for the night and do. And I found this at the Dollar Tree, and that's the Hormel Tamales. I've got the chicken and chili sauce today. And I've seen this at the grocery store also, and it's sub $2 depending on where you get it. And along with that, I'm gonna try this Uncle Ben's Flavor Infusions rice. I think it's gonna cook up just like an instant rice, so that means I can freezer bag cook it. So we're gonna try that out today. So let's get started, let's cook something. I need some water for my rice. Let's see, I've got a half a cup of rice in here, and I threw some extra seasonings and some dehydrated mushrooms and some things I thought would be good in there to make kind of like the Cajun rice with it. This one's already the Parmesan butter, so we already got a little cheese and butter flavor going. It's a half a cup of rice to 1 cup of water for 2 servings. And you're supposed to put this in your pot, bring it to a boil, and reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. But I'm gonna try to do it in the freezer bag because I think this is like our instant rice and is gonna cook up. But we'll see, we'll find out. Okay, we have a canned food emergency. I don't have a can opener. I just realized I don't have a can opener with me. I don't have my Victorinox Tinker in my pocket. My EDC knife is not in my pocket. Holy cow. And it's got my can opener on it. We're getting in this guy though, because I've got that Gerber Freeman that I still need to do some testing on. So here goes the first test. And I've got a 3-pound mini sledge. So we're getting in this can. Here we go. Let's see, before I break out the sledge, hey, there. She ain't pretty, y'all, but we're in. All right, Gerber Freeman, you passed your first test. All right, now that I've confirmed I can get into my tamales, I'm gonna boil some water. I got scared there for a second. I couldn't feel that little teeny mini bic in my pocket. Ah. I'm gonna get this rice, I'm gonna pour that water in there, and I'm gonna get it going in this Reflectix koozie and let her hang out for, we'll say, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Y'all ever sit around just watch your water boil? Ha! In the words of old Shug Emery, that's a purty boil. There we go. Woo! She almost went. That would have been bad on my chest. Woo! I'm gonna go put it down here out of the wind. All right, my rice has been hydrating for like 20 minutes. It honestly sounds pretty wet. I don't have a lot of confidence in it, but we'll go ahead and heat up these tamales and give it a few more minutes and see what we get. Well, come on out, tamale. There we go. Oh wow, these are in little wrapper things. I think I'm gonna take them out of those. Let me go get my trash bag. There, we need some fire. Now the instructions on the can was basically to do exactly what I'm doing on the stovetop. And I think I see why they leave them in the wrappers. I just broke one. They break pretty easy. And then they say to remove those wrappers before serving. Well, that'd be a real pain when they're hot. I think this will be alright. If you're gentle with them, they're not too delicate. I only broke the one. And, you know, without the rice, this is lunch right here. Man, that helicopter's flying low. Ooh, they're starting to smell. I think we're hot. Man, I wish y'all could smell those. Alright, y'all, my rice has been in the freezer bag for 30 minutes. So if it didn't do at this point, it's probably just not gonna do. Well, you know what? It might. This might work. It's a little bit soupy. Let's see, test for doneness here. That works. So maybe we go just a little bit light on the water, and then we can do this. Get these guys with a little Texas Pete. There we go. Well, y'all, I'm actually pretty excited that these Uncle Ben's flavor infusions worked, because unlike your Knorr packets where you got all that loose seasoning, and if you just want part of the rice, you got to figure out how to split up that seasoning. The seasoning's on this rice, so I'm pretty excited. That actually worked really well. Just need to cut back just a little bit on the water from what they call for in the instructions. So let's dig in, man. Let's see what we got here. Heck yeah, that's good. Here's a budget Mexican meal on the trail, and we'll see you on the trail. On a totally random note, my little thermostat that's hanging off my tripod says it's 72 degrees out. It is beautiful today. They say it might snow next Tuesday. That's February and March in South Carolina. Y'all have a good one. Hey, did you stick all the way around to the end while I'm eating? Look here, if you're not following me on Facebook, I left y'all a little nugget on there. My page, Journey of Bear, there's a link in the description below. It's mostly just photos I take while I'm out and about, and little nuggets here and there, different little tips and things I pick up on. So feel free to follow that if you want.